everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I am Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to extract cross-sectional profiles using QGIS and how you can export the result to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in QGIS, let me bring in the raster we want to use for this exercise. Let's use this Adamawa. Click on open, click add, click close. So I have this digital elevation model and I want to extract the cross-sectional profile of any directions or any area. So to do that, the first thing to do is that you come to plugin, manage and install plugins. Then under all, you type profile tools. You need a plugin to do that. This is it, profile tools. I have installed it. If you have not installed it, once you find it, you click on it and install it here. So after installation, this is the plugin we are going to use to extract profile. So click on close. Then after installation, you come to this plugin again. You come to profile tools. You see terrain profile. In some version of QGIS, you see profile tools, but in this version, you see terrain profile. So click on it. So it will open a table like this. Then you click on add layer to add this raster to this profile tool. So when you click on it, then the icon will change to plus or cross sign. So you can now zoom in to any area of your choice that you want to draw the profile. So once you zoom in, you make sure that show console is checked, and also this one, link mouse position on graph with curves, is also checked. Then you can click on any part of the raster and move to any point of your choice. If you are okay with it, once you reach the point, double click to stop it. So once you double click, the profile will be drawn here. So, and one thing you should note, as you are moving your cursor, because you have checked that show cursor, as you are moving your cursor, you realize that a small red is moving along the profile, the line here. So as you are moving your cursor, it's moving. So it shows the profile of this very raster. You can draw it in any direction. So, and another thing is that as you are moving your cursor, it's linking mouse position to the graph. You can see it. And of course, if you come to table, under table, this is the value. Then you can copy to clipboard. Once you click on copy to clipboard, it will copy. Then come to Excel. Can come to Excel and paste the value you copied. So you can name this X value, and the second one Z value. So if you want to do a further analysis, you can equally plot the graph here. Come to insert and come here and choose anyone. So you can see, you can expand this. So you realize that, see the result you get here in Excel. You can see it also here. If you come back to profile, see, you can see it here. This is it. If you expand this, so in nutshell, this is how to extract profile using profile plugin in profile tools plugin in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Help me grow this channel. Recommend this channel, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.